Hey everybody, Ryan Ramsey again, RP Elite Motors and Marine. Got another sweet truck behind me, guys. Actually drove it back from Lone Star Throwdown a couple weeks ago. It's a 2022 F350 King Ranch on any level. We're gonna get close-ups on this thing and show you guys around, so let's get to it. Start on the front up here. As you can see, full paint to match. I've got the white all the way around, the emblem, and then the two-tone that goes on the bottom of the truck, tied it in as well. Even the bumpers are paint to match. Tow hooks are color matched. This is the front of the any level lift. It's got a lot of white in it, and then the overlays and that the two-tone color on it. Go over here, you got your rams black and your arms white. It's got king shocks as well. It comes standard on these any levels. We got a 30x16 JTX as well. It does have floaters. It's on a 42x16x30 Fury. So it's got the center cradle, got the built-in street charger, upgraded arms. Badges are all paint to match as well. Mirrors paint to match. Got the rear down on this one. It does have a custom tip on it. It is stock though, a 22. Then got the full paint to match in the rear on the bumpers, tailgate, plastics painted. Got tinted tail lights as well. These any levels, they are built to tow. So I know a lot of people think these are show trucks. Obviously the truck is gorgeous, but it is capable of towing. It's got about 4,100 miles on it. It's got the 22 King Ranch Ultimate interior. So it comes with sunroof, LEDs, got the big screen in it. Push to start, you got your Switch Pro pad right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of this 22 350 King Ranch. We look forward to bringing you guys some more videos. If you guys got any questions about this truck, please reach out to us over at RP. We'll get in touch and we'll work a deal, whatever we can do. Again, thank you, keep following, and we'll see you guys later.